Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about everything related to entrepreneurship and small businesses. Today, we'll be discussing how to start a successful Etsy shop. Etsy is an online marketplace where people can buy and sell handmade or vintage items, as well as craft supplies. With over 4 million active sellers, Etsy has become a popular platform for creatives to turn their passions into profitable businesses. If you're thinking about starting an Etsy shop, but don't know where to begin, then keep watching. We'll be going over the key steps you need to take to start a successful Etsy shop. Finding your niche. Host. The first step to starting a successful Etsy shop is to find your niche. This means figuring out what you're good at, what you're passionate about, and what you can offer that's unique. Start by brainstorming different ideas and products that you can sell on Etsy. Consider your hobbies, skills, and interests, and see how you can turn them into a product. It's also a good idea to do some market research and see what products are popular on Etsy. This will help you identify gaps in the market and find ways to stand out from the competition. 2. Setting up your shop. Host. Once you've found your niche, it's time to set up your Etsy shop. The first step is to create an account on Etsy and choose a shop name. Your shop name should be memorable, easy to spell, and reflect your brand. Next, you'll need to create a banner and profile picture for your shop. This will help your shop stand out and create a professional appearance. You'll also need to write a shop announcement and policies. Your shop announcement should introduce your brand and let customers know what you offer. Your policies should outline your shipping, return, and payment policies. Section 3. Listing your products. Host. Now that your shop is set up, it's time to start listing your products. Your product listings should be clear, descriptive, and highlight the unique qualities of your product. Make sure to include high-quality photos of your product from different angles. You can also add keywords to your listing to make it easier for customers to find your product. It's also important to price your products competitively. Do some research on similar products on Etsy and make sure your prices are in line with the competition. 4. Marketing your shop. Once your products are listed, it's time to start marketing your shop. One of the easiest ways to do this is to use social media to promote your shop. Create a Facebook, Instagram, or Pinterest account for your shop and share your products with your followers. You can also use paid advertising on social media to reach a wider audience. Another way to market your shop is to participate in Etsy teams and forums. This will help you connect with other sellers and customers, and give you the opportunity to promote your products. 5. Providing great customer service. Host. Finally, to have a successful Etsy shop, you need to provide great customer service. This means responding to customer inquiries in a timely manner, providing accurate information about your products, and shipping your products on time. You should also encourage customers to leave reviews for your shop. Positive reviews can help build your credibility on Etsy and attract more customers. Host. In conclusion, starting a successful Etsy shop takes time and effort, but with the right approach, it can be a profitable business venture. Remember to find your niche, set up your shop, list your products, market your shop, and provide great customer service. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.